Alright, so today we have another beautiful model. As you could see, her hair is almost like 14 inch. So I'm planning to make her 24 inch longer with injection hair extension. That's the latest technique for the hair extension. So what does it mean, the injection compared to the tape in the market is all the single strand of the hair, it's injected to the silicone by hand, one by one. So as soon as I place it on the hair, it looks like it's grow from your own roots. That's how natural it is. And also the hair quality is a hand paint printing. So it's not the machine. So it look like someone came to your salon and you did the balayage for her. And this is the hair quality. It can last easily over 1 year and you can use it. Stay tuned with the final result of our beautiful model from 14 to 24 inch long. Merci, Jeff. Racy. So this is the final job we did for the injection hair extension. We made it from 10 inch to 24 inch. So this is the final, basically the finished touch. After we spent like hours and 20 minutes. So we add like 10 more inch. She had a 14 inch, we add 24 inch long. And this is 100% human hair. And that's like the way you go to the salon, you spend like more than 5-6 hours to do the balayage. So in less than 2 hours, we can create a beautiful hair extension the way the balayage or ombre works. So that's why I like you guys to see what is the difference between the injection and the tape. This is not the tape. This is the injection silicone hair extension. And she can wear it for maybe like easily 4 to 5 months. After that, she can remove it, rebond it, and put it back. So the hair quality can last easily over the years, and she can wear it maybe 3 to 4 times. She can treat it the way she do it with her own hair. And since it's so beautiful and natural, you could just wash, conditioner, no problem. You could style it any way you want. Then what we're gonna say, thank you, Jeff Racy.